Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan cabbage rolls. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, we need a cabbage. We can also use any other leaf vegetables such as Roman lettuce. We separate leaves. Once we separate them, we have to put them in the freezer. Now we start making the filling. We put mushrooms in the blender. It is best to cut them into smaller pieces so they crumble better. Then sunflower seeds, of course soaked. They should soak for at least 5-6 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. We mix everything together. We put the mass in a bowl. Now we have to add some vegetables we want. I will use tomatoes, but it can be also peppers, cauliflower or even carrots. No matter which we will choose, we have to cut them finely. I will also use an onion. Then some sprouts. We should add some spices to make our filling even better. For example, salt, black pepper, and marjoram. We mix the mass and now we can take cabbage leaves out of the freezer. For now, they are hard, so they have to lie in a warm place for some minutes. Leaves become soft and can be easily wrapped. Put some filling on the hard side of the leaf. Bend the sides and wrap it tightly. In order to keep the leaves from unfolding, I put the leaf on the sides of the wraps. We repeat until we run out of the leaves and filling. And it's ready! All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Bon appetit!